Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder Path Trading Partners. Quick Bitcoin update. Now rotation zone against us on a daily chart again, holding a significant level. We have a significant level of this 13,173, just above the 75% gain retracement level. So if we get a close below both these with the rotation zone against us, then we'll be watching for it to drop back to 11,848. Then if that doesn't hold 10,700, then we have the next levels projected down. In order for anything to change, it has to get back above this rotation zone, and we really need it to get above about this 14,900. Let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. It got up briefly above the rotation zone, then collapsed back down. Now, short-term resistance is coming in about 13,850. You can see it poking up to test this resistance, so there's nothing really to do there. And then about the 62.5% gain level, 14,146, we have the declining 50 coming in. So there's a lot of overhead resistance, and there's no real strong bottoming pattern right now. And by the way, this was not a double bottom because the price targets did exceed this candle that formed it, so that was not a triggered trade. So we're just sitting here patiently with Bitcoin, waiting for it to figure out where it's going to go, but there's nothing to do it, and we're not trying to buy any of these dips. Switching over to Ethereum, ran up to the next gain level, this 1,420, and then dropped, and now holding. It did get below the rotation zone, now holding right at this 12.5% gain level. Again, this is looking like a very toppy formation. The other price projections are still in place in case we do make a strong move up. 1,458, 1,493, and then eventually 1,604. But again, looking very toppy. If this does break down again, we're looking for key support coming in about 1190 to 1210. Let's check that on the daily. So just let me get this. All right. The rising 8 EMA on the daily is coming in about 1220. We'll be watching, though, also for this 25% gain pullback. If that does not hold, then we'll be watching for 1074. Again, this is looking like a topping formation, and it could actually be making a potential double top, but we won't know that until we get a close below this 1074. So we're a long way off from there. Just if you haven't taken anything off the table on this strong up move, at least raise your stops. So if we do get the bigger pullback, you will be locking in some of your gains, and then you can wait for this bigger pullback and another rotation move upwards. So we have for you on this quick Bitcoin and Ethereum update. We'll talk to everyone shortly. Bye for now.